Hindi mo namamalayan na napakabilis ng iyong oras na ipinanatili mo dito sa mundong ito. Kaya kinakailangan sa isang Muslim na natagtaglay ng takot sa kanyang Panginoon at may sapat na kaalaman, alamin niya ang tunay na layunin niya. O tao, bakit ka nga ba nandito sa mundo? No doubt, Allah created us on earth. It is because to worship Him alone. And that is our aim and goals in dunya. To worship Allah. If you then, a man on earth, and you do not worship Allah, your life on earth is nonsense. You are nothing. Because you spend the whole of your life on earth without sense. Nothing. Animals is better than you. Why you say that animals is better than you?